Hey friends, it's Allison dropping in to share with you some new creative inspiration for the Scrapbook Nerd online shop. Today I am playing with a new collection from Simple Stories called Life Captured. It is a scrapbooking kit and would allow you to scrapbook all the months of the year and put together pages. I decided to take it in my own direction and create something that was more to my liking. So I began with that floral pattern paper that you see on the left-hand side of the screen. Fell instantly in love with it. I think it is so pretty. And then the polka dot craft pattern paper layered on top of it is gorgeous as well. And I knew that I had to use them together. So I'm creating a traveler's notebook size layout. It measures 4.5 inches wide by 8.25 inches tall. I'm not putting it in a page protector. I find that it's too small, so I like to make mine a little bit bigger and then just throw them into my album as they are. So that's why it is that size. And the mat that I'm working on right now is the everything mat, basically. I created it with my Cricut just for the pattern. I wanted something a little else on the white cardstock. So I just created basically loose leaf paper, something reminiscent of that anyways, with a blue pen, and then trimmed that down to 3.75 inches wide. 3.75 inches wide by 8 inches tall. The little circle with scallop, the scallop border was also cut with my Cricut. On top of that, I'm going to be putting some of the stickers and ephemera that came with the kit as well. I wanted to add some florals, and so I had to dive deep into my stash and find something that I could use that was floral. And I still had some florals left from Cocoa Vanilla Studio these days. I've slowly been working through that. So added those to the top of the layout. The teal colored pattern paper at the top of this white mat that I created with my Cricut is from Cocoa Vanilla as well, but from No Limits. And then the florals are all from These Days. The pattern paper that is layered over top of it, the yellow green strip, and then the scallop strip below that, the craft, is all from Life Captured, as are these stickers. So this is going to become my title. It is Noteworthy Details, and the story that I am documenting today is starting a new chapter in our lives. My girls just recently turned 13. I have teens in the house, and was just kind of reflecting on some things and how we're starting a new phase in life, and I'm hoping that it goes better than for them personally than it has in the past, and so far it's looking promising. I typed my journaling on my computer and then printed it directly to that white mat, and just to finish this layout off, I'm adding little bit more stickers, and that blue flower is some ephemera, and then down here at the bottom I'm adding a little tab also from the kit, and then I'm going to add a couple more stickers to that along with the phrase. The phrase that I pulled off the 12 by 12 sticker sheet in this kit is actually double-sided. So one side of it was white, which is the part that I'm holding, and then the other half of it was navy blue. So the whole thing said like, oh yeah. I didn't want the yeah part. I honestly thought it was two separate stickers, but they weren't. So I trimmed them in half, used the white one. It is going to be layered over top of that little heart that I just glued to the tab. There's my little phrase. I'm also going to add a little sticker paper clip. It's going to go behind that little cluster there at the top. And that brings me to the end of this video. I do use liquid glue to attach all of the embellishments, just as added insurance, nothing falls off in the future. I will add holes to the right hand side of that layout, this layout later on, but that's it for me, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you'd like to see more of this collection, go check it out in the shop. I'll leave the link to the shop in the description box down below. Bye guys.